Hi, my viewers. Hi, my subscribers, my family, my friends, my neighbors, all of you guys. Welcome back to another video. All right. Today I'm going to cook some rice and peas and chicken, brown stew chicken with rice and peas. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I have my meat already been seasoned. Sometimes I season my meat and put it in the fridge for a while, and then I just take it out because of the working process, because we have to go to work and do such work. So sometimes we just do it in one. So I've seasoned it already, so I'm showing it to you now what I'm going to do. All right, so this is my seasoned chicken. All right, I seasoned my chicken from yesterday and I have it here. Okay, so I'm going to brown stew it. I'm going to put some browning on it and let you see. And this is my rice, and my peas already been cooked. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to cook it. So these are my seasonings. Slap your mama, Maggi chicken season, and my salt. And here I have the season that I use is that I grind the papaya seed. So here I have it. So this is what I throw on my meat. Okay, and I have 2 corn here. And this is my seasoning for my rice and peas. As you can see, this is my thyme that I boil and put it in the freezer to freeze. Okay, thyme and cloves, and I guess I put rosemary in it. All right, so this is all clean and everything. So I'm going to show you my pot with my peas that is over there, which are boiled already. So I'm going to show you how I put in my rice. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put a little browning in it. So okay, so I'm going to put a browning, so it's brown stew, and maybe I can put a little turmeric to give it a little color also. All right. So I'm not going to use any oil in it, guys. No oil today because the meat already has in oil. So I'm just going to use some water in my pot. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing over here. So this is my pot, which has already been hot. So I'm just going to put some water in it. No oil, guys. So I turn the flame up a bit. Okay. No oil. And see? So the water is boiling. Because the meat already have in oil. So it's going to stay there, get its own color. So it's going to stay there and cook. It's a lot of oil, and we have to be careful on our cholesterol and so. So what I do, I just use the oil. So it's going to stay there and get its color. Okay, guys? And how is it going so far? And over here now, I have my peas. So this is my peas, coconut milk, and peas. So what I do, I cook the peas when I have the time. I cook the peas with the coconut and freeze it. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to show you how I cook my rice now. So this is going to stay there for a while and cook. So my viewers and my subscribers, I'm going to season my rice and peas water. Okay, guys. This is my seasoning. I'm going to put in. So I boil the thyme and the rosemary and freeze it. Instead of putting the stick in, I just boil. So I'm going to put some salt in now. Just a little salt. I'm not going to put any margarine in or butter in it because it already has in oil in the coconut milk. So this is it now. You stay there and boil up. And this is the peas. Okay, guys, you can see. As you can see, it's getting its color. No oil. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get my rice ready and be back. So what I did, guys, I make a lot of water, take out some before I put the rice in, like this. I have my little pot here, so I put some in it. And for those who love the rice when it's soft or whatever way you love it, you take out some of the water and put it aside. So when the water is boiled down, if you want it to be softer or what, you pour some more water in it. So that's so you can see my chicken pot. So it stay there. Guys, we don't have to use this a lot of oil. Stay there, you can see. Okay. Stay there until it gets its color. The little browning. No oil. If you want to put a little margarine in it, that's okay. Stay there and it's get its color. Alright. So I'm going to get my rice wash. And this is my rice. Okay. Guys, you can see it's getting its color now. And I have some corn here. I'm going to put them in. Then you can tip a little water in it. Okay. Stay there and get its color. You see, we don't have to use oil, guys. All right. So my rice has been washed, guys. As I said, my sink is on the other side. So this is my rice pot. And some more rice here. The pot is small, but I hope it can hold. You can see. But I have to be careful with the pepper because it will burst. Okay. So you stir it up like this. And as I say, you put whatever seasoning you want to put in your rice and peas. Okay? I put no butter, no butter, just thyme, scallion, and pepper, rosemary. That's what I did. Okay, guys. So you're going to stay there. So when it started to boil up, I'm going to gauge the fire. Let it turn down a little bit at low value. Okay. When it's too high, it will burn. So you have to turn down your fire underneath your. And so when this water boils down, I can throw. If it need any more, I can throw this in it. If you don't need any more, I can just put this in the freezer. Here's my pot, guys. So it's going to stay there. You don't have to use oil. So it's getting its color. And I'm going to put some turmeric in it to give it another darker color. Okay, guys? And I'm going to gauge this fire some bit more. All right. Okay? Thanks for watching. And over here now, I have some veggies. I had some veggies cooked before, so it's there. So it's cabbage, lettuce, and carrot. So guys, you see getting its color? No oil. Okay? You can do the same. You can do the same, guys. It's getting its color now. Everybody getting its color. Corn, chicken, everybody getting its color. And you can put a piece of ginger in it also. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put a piece of ginger in my pot now. You can see? Getting it color. No oil. It's building its own oil, guys. You see? Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting. Okay? And I love to share, I love to share my food. I love to share my food, guys. All right, so do to stay there. And I turn on the fire. You don't have to turn it up. And only if you are in a rush, you can turn up the fire. So over here, guys, you can see my bright spot here. So I'm gonna put a little bit more water in it. Cut it. All right, so it's gonna stay there and continue to cook. All right, guys, stay there. This is my thyme and rosemary. So I just put it there. In some pimento in it. In some more warm water in it, guys. Guys, I put in a little ketchup in it. You want, you can just put your own season or your own sauce in it. Okay, guys? And you do a thing like this, you turn it over. So this may take like an half an hour to cook. It depends on your texture of your chicken. Okay, guys? This is my rice pot over here. So, so what I do, I take out this scallion. Sometimes I take out the pepper because sometimes the pepper bursts. So I take this out and do like this. And if you want it a bit softer than I do, you can put a little bit more water in it. And then I'm get a piece of plastic and put it on top. Okay, guys? So what I did, guys, I put a piece of plastic over it like this. Turn it over like this. And let it steam it. Right? This is my seasoning. And you put whatever seasoning you want to put in your pot. Okay, guys? So this is almost cooked. Next 5 minutes, it will be finished. And it tastes so good. It smells so good, guys. And if you have coconut milk, you can put in it. Okay? So in the next 5 minutes, I'll be finished. So guys, my pot is ready. My rice and peas is ready. And my veggies over here. This has been cooked already. So everything is ready now. So I am finished now. So I'm going to share out some and show you what I cook. This is my finished food now, guys. And I must say thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Rice and peas, veggies, corn, and chicken. Brown stew chicken with no oil. Okay, guys? And as I must say, big up yourself. And for those who don't subscribe as yet, can you please subscribe, please? Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. You can come over for some of my dinner. All right, or lunch or whatever you call it. You can just come over. Big up yourself. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. Make a comment on my rice and peas. All right. Do we ever cook without oil? All right. Just make a comment. Put it in the comment, guys.